So this is the finished look of this unit and how are we liking it. So today I have on an Outre wig, and this is one of their lace front wigs. Now I have on the style Brenae, and this is in the color 2, and this is also 20 inches. Honestly, this is giving like straight out the salon. This hair is really gorgeous. Now this unit comes with a 5-inch deep parting space, and it also comes pre-plucked as well. I tried to do like the little natural hair edges where it's just like the natural hairs that are just out in the front. I wanted to give this unit a more realistic look, and I like how it came out. It looks very realistic. Now, I did go in the front and plucked a little bit more to my liking to make it a little bit more naked. Now with this unit, it does come with a elastic band, so you're able to wear it glueless. I did not use the elastic band today. I felt like it was better for me to not use it. The wig is very secure, and it is big head friendly as well. This unit also has heat resistant fiber up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This honestly eats, like, I did not have any issues trying to blend this into my skin. Like, the lace is really seamless, and I really do like that. I am going to be linking this wig down below for you guys if you are interested in my description box, so look out for that. Now this completes day 3 of Wigmas. I have so much more in store for you guys, so stay tuned for the next couple episodes in this series. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you do subscribe to my channel as well and turn those notifications on, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.